Hello everybody. I went to Ikea and I just realized I should have took a video, so we're downstairs looking around. We're headed to check out and go find dinner. But nice stuff. There's a frying pan, but I don't want that kind. I want this kind. That's what I want. That's what I want. That one. I don't know how much it is. Probably too expensive. $69. I'll go back to Ross. I'll go back to Ross. I like that frying pan, but it's $69. So. Interesting stuff. Here's more frying pans. More my style and the price. Pans, pots and pans. Pots and pans. I need something to cook eggs in, folks. So, alright, talk to you later, everybody. I'll let you know what I buy later. Bye.